What's going on, everybody? I'm making some ribs today. As you see, I have 2 racks of ribs. I've already got the membrane off. I've got them seasoned down with some Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub, and I'm ready to go. So this is my redemption rib cook. So last time I cooked on the pit barrel cooker, I had a disaster. They fell into the charcoal, and I haven't made anything on them since. So I'm gonna try again today. It's been over 2 years, so I don't know, whatever. I've got the charcoal getting hot, so I'm about to pour it into the main charcoal chamber for the pit barrel cooker and get that in there, let it heat up, and then we can get the ribs on. So let's go ahead and do that now. I ended up cutting off the bottom 2 ribs just to make sure they don't touch the coal like last time. Hopefully they don't split like they did last time. Just gonna hope and pray. There you go. Well, it's been 40 minutes and I just realized I forgot to put some wood on the fire, so I got some hickory chunks. Hopefully it's not too late. Probably got some ash on the ribs just now, but oh well. Alright, it's been just over an hour and a half. I spritzed them a little while ago, so I'm going to pull them out and just double check them. See what they look like so far. Yeah, they're looking really good. Pull one out right here. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good. So yeah, the bark's formed, so I did spritz them though just a little while ago, so I'm just going to let them keep riding, I guess. It's only been, I don't know how long it's going to be before they're done. I'm guessing around between 3 and 4 hours. I'm just going to let them ride for right now. I'll check back with you. Alright, it's been 2.5 hours total. So let's take them out and check just to verify, because I know this thing's cooking higher, probably around 300 or so, between 275 300, I guess. That's what it's supposed to be cooking at. Let me go ahead and pull them out. The bone is pulling away pretty good. Thinking they're just about done. You can see that. Oh yeah, the bone's pulling away on both sides. You just lay that right there. 189, 190, 191. So yeah, they're gonna need it a little bit longer. Oh yeah, they look good though. Let me just check this one and make sure. Oh, smoke in my eyes. Oh my goodness. This one's thinner, so I'm a little more concerned about it. Oh yeah, this one's over 200, 203, 204, 205. Oh my gosh, and it feels a lot tender, more tender too. Oh yeah, this one is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off. Real tender and over 200 degrees. So let's lay that down right here, and then we'll let this other one ride for a little bit longer. Man, I'm telling you what, I've been out here rebuilding the gate with my dad. And I got the ribs going right behind us, and I got some burgers and corn on now. It just smells awesome out here. It's a good day. Oh yeah. Alright, I just checked these a minute ago and they're pretty much done. So they're real tender and they're about 200 degrees or right over 200 degrees, but check this bone out. Got some good bone reveal right there. I don't know if you can see it because of the smoke. It's looking awesome. I'll take this in, get it wrapped for a second. We'll let it sit for about 15 minutes. And I think we can go ahead and cut into the other one and do a taste test. I'm going to do this while my kids are busy watching TV. And not everybody's being crazy in here, so. Man, it smells awesome in here. Let me go ahead and cut one. Oh man, look at that. It's getting close. It's got good smoke ring. Got a great color. It looks really good. So, let me take a bite. Alright, I may not have been recording just now. I think I thought it was recording and it wasn't. But I got juice coming off. It's dripping down my hand from this thing. It's really, really good. Oh, almost dropped it. Dog almost got some. Here you go. You know that. That's some good stuff. So glad I cooked these. These are the best ones I've done so far. I haven't done a whole lot. These are the best. Appreciate you sticking around and watching this build. My mustache out of the way. Think about it. Please consider subscribing. Just click the button down below and I'd appreciate it. And I got more videos coming your way. I'll see you next time. Bye.